Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Tech titans and market milestones, Google's throne threatened, Fisker's potential Nissan deal, and the risks of RSV shots. Musk's legal battle escalates with a $6 billion fee request, S&P 500 hits historic highs, Chevron closes biodiesel plants amid market woes. Plus, exploring the explosive growth in medical marijuana and the potential newcomers to the $1 trillion club Berkshire Hathaway and Eli Lilly. Stay tuned after this short ad break for these stories and more. Google, with a valuation exceeding $1.7 trillion, is encountering obstacles from generative artificial intelligence, or AI, and rivals such as Microsoft-supported OpenAI. Mark Shmulik, an analyst, criticizes Google for its sluggish product launch pace and insufficient communication with investors. Despite facing problems with its own AI solution named Gemini, Google still holds a solid 91% share of the search market. Nevertheless, potential threats are arising from specialized search engines and social media platforms in addition to competition in the AI sector.
Fisker, an electric vehicle manufacturer currently facing difficulties, is said to be in discussions with Nissan Motor from Japan regarding a possible bailout agreement. It's speculated that Nissan might pour as much as $400 million into Fisker's truck platform and take on the production of Fisker's forthcoming Alaska pickup starting in 2026. This news comes on the heels of a significant 34% drop in Fisker shares following the company voicing concerns about its future viability and revealing plans to reduce its workforce by 15%.
Federal health authorities have issued a warning that new vaccines for the respiratory syncytial virus, created by GlaxoSmithKline and Pfizer, could marginally elevate the risk of contracting Guillain-Barré syndrome. This syndrome is an uncommon disorder affecting the nervous system. Over 20 instances have been reported from a pool of 9.5 million individuals who received the vaccine. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention are maintaining ongoing surveillance of this potential concern.
3 legal entities are pursuing $6 billion in Tesla shares as compensation for effectively invalidating Elon Musk's $55 billion remuneration package. The Delaware Chancery Court nullified the performance-based stock option grant from 2018, following a shareholder lawsuit alleging it had been unjustly sanctioned. Should this be approved, it would represent the most substantial attorney payout in a corporate case.
The Standard & Poor's 500 index rose by 0.95% in the previous week, ending above the significant milestone of 5,100 points for the first time ever. This achievement signifies its second successive weekly increase and a bullish trend on Wall Street for 16 out of 18 weeks. In other news, Bitcoin exceeded a value of $60,000 for the first time in 2 years, registering a weekly surge of more than 21%. The release of varied inflation data has led to heightened anticipation of an earlier rate cut by the Federal Reserve.
Operations at 2 biodiesel plants in Wisconsin and Iowa, owned by Chevron, are being suspended due to a downturn in renewable fuel economics. These facilities were obtained as part of a transaction with Renewable Energy Group in 2022, valued at $3.15 billion. Nevertheless, the surge in supplies coupled with a decrease in renewable credits has resulted in price drops, adversely affecting the profitability of these plants.
Forecasts indicate that the worldwide market for medical marijuana is set to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 21.9%, contributing more than $21.2 billion from 2022 through to 2027, as per data from Technavio. North America, where the use of medical cannabis is legal in both the U.S. and Canada, is expected to account for 47% of this surge in growth. The market's expansion will be fueled by the introduction of new products and a rise in demand due to legalization efforts, with oil and tinctures derived from cannabis extracts playing a pivotal role.
Berkshire Hathaway, along with Eli Lilly, are nearing a market cap of $1 trillion. This could potentially allow them to join the elite group known as the Magnificent Seven. Berkshire has experienced consistent growth under the leadership of Warren Buffett. On the other hand, Eli Lilly's swift expansion is attributed to its weight loss medication, Zepbound. The recent financial reports from both companies indicate promising outcomes. Berkshire's operating earnings have risen by 21%, while Eli Lilly's total revenue has seen a surge of 28%.
And that's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show. Keep investing in knowledge, stay informed, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Until then, take care. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.